Good morning everyone. Welcome you all for online learning session. Today we are going to do your maths lesson number 5, operations on rational numbers, standard 7. So you know all about rational numbers. What is rational numbers? Now we just recall. See, we know which are the natural numbers. The counting numbers are natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. It starts from 1. What? Natural numbers. These are which start from 1. There is called natural numbers. And what is integers? Integers is what? Natural numbers, 0 and the opposite of the natural number. That means from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0 and -1, -2, -3. These are integers. And we also familiar with what? Fractions. We know what is fraction. Fraction is like 2 upon 7, 5 upon 9, like this, 7 upon 11, 2 upon 5, 1 upon 7. These are what? Fractions. So, a group that includes both integers and fraction, वो ग्रुप जिसमें इंटीजर्स भी है फ्रैक्शंस भी है, दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? रैशनल नंबर्स. Is that clear? That means rational number is all, like in fraction numbers also, 1, 2, 3, -1, 2, 3, 4, 0 and 7 upon 9, 0 upon 2, 1 upon 9. These all are rational number. Is that clear to you all? Now see, there is a small table is given in your textbook on page number 34. Complete the table given below. See, first -3. Is this natural number? No, because this is the integer. This is integer and this is rational number also. Again, I am telling to you what? Rational number is all the natural numbers and integers and fractions. Okay. So -3 is not a natural number. It is integer and it is rational number. 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 is not a natural number. So put the cross mark. And integers? No. Rational number? Yes. This is rational number. Then -17. -17 is not a natural number. It is integers? Yes. And rational number also. -5 upon 11. So, is this a natural number? No. Integer? No. Then, rational number? Yes, because this is fraction. 5 is natural number. 5 is also integers and also a rational numbers. Is that clear to you all? So, to divide one number by another is to multiply the first by the multiplicative inverse of the other. Now, we will start practice set 22. First one, carry out the following additions of rational numbers. These all are what? Rational numbers, and we have to do what? Addition. Addition of these rational number. First one is given what? 5 upon 36 plus 6 upon 42. So, how can we solve this? So, dear students, first we see, is the denominator equal? No. Here denominator is not equal. So first we will equalize the denominator. So by which method? We will multiply 36 by 42 and 42 multiply by 36. That means we will multiply this denominator with each other. Okay. Then it is very easy. I am showing you what in previous standard what we have learned this about this when there is a plus or minus sign between them. So what we have done, first we will equalize the denominator, multiply by each other. That means we did what? 36 multiply by 42 and here plus 6 upon 42. That means 42 multiply by 36 and here is what? 5. In denominator we have multiplied by 42. It means we have to multiply by numerator also from the same number, then multiply by 36 in denominator. That means numerator is also multiply by 36, right? And what will we get the answer? Multiply that. So we wrote only one time that answer. So this is what we know how to do this. So for your easy understanding, what I will do, multiply these numbers with each other, then this 42 multiply by 5 cross multiplication. So it will be very easy. 5 multiply by 42 plus 6 multiply by which number? 36. Okay. See. Then upon 36 multiply by 42. Got it? Now multiplied. 5 multiply by 42. 5 2s are 10. 1 carry. 5 4s are 20 and 21. Then plus 6 6s are 36. 3 carry. 6 3s are 18. 19 20 21. What? 216. Upon 36 multiply by 42. What we will get? 1512. When you multiply this number, you will get this one. After this, add this number 210 plus 216. Then we will get what? 426 upon 1512. Now divide this number by 2. Why? Because there is unit place is what? 6 and 2. So we can divide it by 2. Cut it. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Then 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. Then we can't divide again by 2. Why? Because here there is a unit place at which number? At the unit place which number is there? 3. Here is 6 but here is 3. So we cannot divide it again by 2. So which number we can divide by which number? 3. 3 7s are 21. Then 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. Then 3 2s are 6. What is remaining? 71 upon 252. This is your answer. Understand? So now see the second one. 1 2 upon 3 plus 2 4 upon 5. First we will what? Solve this. 1 multiply by 3 then plus 2. What? 1 multiply by 3 plus 2 upon 3 plus 2 multiply by 5 plus 4 upon 5. 1 3s are 3 then plus 2 5. 5 upon 3 plus 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 4 14. 14 upon 5. Now how we will add this number, this rational number? Yes, first we will equal the denominator. How we will equalize the denominator? By multiplying each other and cross multiplication with the numerator. So 5 multiply by what? 5 multiply by 5 plus 14 multiply by 3. Got it? Upon 5 multiply by 3 or 3 multiply by 5. We write only one time. 3 multiply by 5. Then 5 5s are what? 25. 5 5s are 25 plus 14 3s are 42 upon 5 3s are 15. Then 25 plus 42. 67 upon 15. Now we cannot divide it by any number, this numbers. So have you understood? This is your answer. I hope you all have understood very well how to do the additions of rational number. And remaining questions, this one and this one is your homework. This you have to do like this form which I have done. 17 multiply by 19 and 11 multiply by 19 plus 13 multiply by 17. Then this you have to do like this form. First you will multiply this 2 multiplied by 11 plus 3 upon 11. Then plus 1 multiplied by 7 plus 3 upon 77. First clear this. Then after that do the addition like in this method. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Carry out the following subtraction. Now here we have done the addition. In the same way we have to do the subtraction. What? 7 upon 11 minus 3 upon 7. Same thing we have to do in subtraction also. We will equal the denominator. So 11 multiply by 7. Then numerator what? 7 multiply by 7 minus 11 what? 3 multiply by 11. Clear? 7 sevens are 49. 11 threes are 33. Put the minus sign between them. Then 11 sevens are 77. Then 49 minus 33 what? We will get 16. 16 upon 77. This is the final answer. Is it easy? Yes, it is very easy. Now see the second one. 13 upon 36 minus 2 upon 40. What we will do first? First we will what? Multiply this denominator and cross multiplication with numerator. So write down 13 multiplied by 40 minus 2 multiplied by which number? 36. Write it. 13 multiplied by 40 minus 2 multiplied by 36 upon what? 36 multiplied by 40. 36 multiplied by 40. Then 13 multiplied by 40. We will get what? 520. Minus 36 twos are 72. Upon 36 multiplied by 40. 1440. Now 520 minus 72. Subtract it. 448. Then 1440. Now we will divide by which number? Because is at the unit place there is a 8 and 0. And when there is a at unit place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there. So you have to divide it by 2. First you have to divide it by 2. So see, we can divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 0. Again we can divide it by 2 because 4 and 0 is there. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 1 is remaining, then it becomes 12. 2 6s are 12, 2 zeros are 0. Again we can divide it by 2 because 2 is and here is 0. So 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, then 0. Again we can divide it by 2. 2 9s are 18, 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Again we can divide it by 2. 2 4s are 8, then 1. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now we cannot divide it by 2 because here is what? 4 and here is 5. So 5 will not divide it by 2. It means the answer is what? 14 upon 45. This is your answer. Is that clear to you all? See, the third and fourth one is your homework. You have to do it by your own. I hope you all have understood. Now see the third one. Multiply the following rational numbers. We have done the addition of rational numbers. We have done the subtraction of rational numbers. Now we will do the multiplication. It is very simple. Question number 3. First one is what? 3 upon 11 multiplied by 2 upon 5. In multiplication, you have to see which number will be divided from numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator. So here, is this any number will be divided? No, it will not divide. So what we will do, we will multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 3 multiply by 2 upon 11 multiply by 5. What? 3 2s are 6, 11 5s are 55. This is your final answer, 6 upon 55. Is this easy? Now I'm going to do third one. Second, you can do it by your own. Minus 8 upon what? 9 multiply by 3 upon 4. See here, first we will write the question again. Minus 8 upon 9 multiply by 3 upon 4. Now see which number will be divided by which number. कौन सा नंबर किस नंबर से डिवाइड हो रहा है? See, 3 and 9. These are in what? Same table number. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Students, remember it. Don't divide by what? In this form. ऐसे बाजू बाजू में डिवाइड नहीं होगा, ऊपर नीचे ही डिवाइड हो सकता है, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, देन वन मोर number is divided what? See here, 4 1s are 4 and we can divide it 8 by 4 also. 4 2s are 8. What is remaining? 2 multiply by 1. Here minus sign is also remaining, so we have to put this one also. Minus 2. 2 1s are 2 upon 3 1s are 3. What is the answer? Minus 2 upon 3. See the fourth one also. 0 upon 6 multiply by 3 upon 4. See, is this any number will divide? Yes. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Then 1 multiply by 0 what? 1 zeros are 0. 4 2s are 8. When any number is divided or multiplied by 0, so it becomes 0. 0 से कोई भी नंबर मल्टीप्लाई होगा या डिवाइड होगा तो वो क्या नंबर रहेगा? 0 ही रहेगा. 0 डिवाइडेड बाय 8, 0. Is that clear? So answer is what? 0. Next is what? Write the multiplicative inverse. Very easy. Multiplicative inverse means what? 2 upon 5. What is the multiplicative inverse? You have to make the denominator numerator and numerator will be denominator. See, question number 4. First one is what? 2 upon 5. What is the multiplicative inverse? Here numerator is what? 2 and denominator is what? 5. So we will make the denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. So it will be 5 upon 2. That's it. You have to do that's it. Then second one. Minus 3 upon 8. What is the multiplicative inverse of minus 3 upon 8? Minus should be there. But 8 upon 3. नंबर को आपको उल्टा करना है. न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर बनाना है, डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर बनाना है. सी द थर्ड वन ऑल्सो. माइनस 17 upon 39. So minus what? 39, उसको उल्टा कर दो, 39 upon 17. This is called multiplicative inverse. See the fourth one. 7. Only 7 is there. So how we will write the multiplicative inverse of this number? If there is number like this form, that means upon में कुछ नहीं है, that means denominator में क्या है? 1 है. Okay. So what is the multiplicative inverse of this number? 1 upon 7. See the fifth one. Minus 7, 1 upon 3. First clear this. What? Minus 7 multiplied by 3 plus 1 upon 3. Then 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2, 22. 22 upon 3. Now we will make this what? Multiplicative inverse. We will do this of multiplicative inverse. -3/22. Is that clear? This is your final answer. Question number, see, first you have to write it in your notebook. I have done all the questions of this question number 4, and remaining questions of these questions, from these questions you have to do it by your own. Carry out the divisions of rational numbers. Here we have to do the divisions of rational number. We have done the addition, subtraction, multiplication and multiplicative inverse also. Now we will do the division. How we will divide these rational numbers? These I have already in division form, and again we have to divide it by these numbers, rational numbers. So see, it is also easy. So first one is what? 40/12 divided by 10/4. First what we will do? We will write this number as it is. This rational number what? 40/12. Now we will change this sign. Division will be in multiplication. डिवाइड की साइन को हम लोग चेंज करेंगे और उसको क्या कर देंगे? मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. when we change this sign, so after that what is the number is given, it will be multiplicative inverse. so इस नंबर को भी हम लोग क्या कर देंगे? उल्टा कर देंगे. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 4/10. अंडरस्टूड? याद रखना, जब भी हम लोग इस टाइप का डिवीजन करेंगे, दो रैशनल नंबर के बीच में डिवीजन करना होगा, तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू चेंज द साइन ऑफ दिस डिवीजन इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. देन आफ्टर दैट change the number, this one. Denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. Now see which will cut. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला है, बाजू बाजू में कट नहीं होता है, ऊपर नीचे ही आपको डिवाइड करना होता है. या तो आप इधर इधर डिवाइड करो, इधर इधर, या तो आप ऐसे क्रॉस में डिवाइड करो. ओके. देन 10 1s are 10, 10 4s are 40. What is remaining? 4 1s are 4, 3 1s are 3. Clear? Only this much is remaining. 4 1s are 4, 3 1s are 3. Then question number 2. See the second one. -10/11 divided by -11/10. See, first what we will do? We will write this number as it is. Then change this sign. After that we have to make the numerator to the denominator and denominator to the numerator. That means -10/11. Clear? Now see, we cannot divide this number क्योंकि हम लोग बाजू बाजू में तो डिवाइड नहीं करना है हमको. ओके. सो नथिंग विल कट, कुछ भी कट नहीं होगा इसमें. सो व्हाट वी विल डू? 10 multiply by 10. Now I am writing -10 multiply by -10/11 multiply by 11. Clear? Minus minus will be plus. So sign will not, we will not put the sign of minus. 10 10s are 100, 11 11s are 121. Only this much you have to do. Understood? Now I am doing the fourth one. Third one is your homework. Now I am doing the fourth one. See the fourth one. 2/3 divided by -4. What we will do? 2/3, right? Then divide will be multiply. -4 is there. Here denominator is what? It is not shown. So what we will do? We know that will be 1 is there. So उल्टा करोगे तो कैसा हो जाएगा? -1/4. कोई भी नंबर आपको अगर ऐसे -7 -6 और 5 ऐसा देता है तो दैट मीन्स उसका उल्टा आपको क्या लिखना है? 1/5 या -1/7 -1/6. ओके. सो यह -4 इज देयर. दैट मीन्स -1/4. नाउ सी, कोई नंबर डिवाइड हो रहा है? यस. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. What is remaining? 1 multiply by -1/3 multiply by 2. 1 1s are 1. साइन हमको लगाना है. देन 3 2s are 6. Answer is what? -1/6. Is that clear to you all? So now I'm doing this last one, and remaining questions you have to do it by yourself. Fifth one. See the fifth one. 2 1/5 divided by 5 3/6. First we will solve this. What? 2 multiplied by 5 plus 1/5, right? 2 multiplied by 5 plus 1/5. Divide 5 multiplied by 6 plus 3/6, right? Then 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11/5. Then divided by 5 6 are 30 plus 3 33/6. Now we will do the division of this rational number. क्या बताया था मैंने आपको? First we will write this number, right? Then divide will be multiply. Then 33/6 will be 6/33, correct? Now see which number will be divided. Yes, 11 multiply 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33, right? And again 6 and 3 will be divided. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Now see which is remaining. 1 multiplied by 2. In numerator which is remaining? 1 multiplied by 2 upon, in denominator which is remaining? 5 multiplied by 1. So 2 ones are 2, 5 ones are 5. This is the final answer. I hope you all have understood. See, in this question you have to do what? After changing the sign, what you have to do? -8 will be -1/8. Okay. So I hope you all have understood. Complete it in your notebook which I have given you for practice. Thank you so much, students.